Well, ladies and gentlemen of the YouTube world, the dude and I are on the road. We're finally leaving Kelowna and we're heading to Penticton. What do you think, dude? Strongly recommend not leaving big cities like Kelowna on a weekend late in the afternoon. This is going to be a bit of a haul. It's about an hour and a half according to Google to where I'm going. The smell of a fresh rain after so many days of sunshine. It's refreshing, but it's also saddening because I'm like reminiscing. I'm leaving my buddy's house and it started to rain. Love you too, buddy. Okay. Next stop, Penticton. The mountainside, the sandy hills you see there, well, they've deteriorated so badly they started falling down onto the road here. So they've been working on it for the last while, trying to get it structurally safe. This is what they used to look like. So we made it to Penticton, as you might have noticed. We're heading up Carmi Hill. It's where their racetrack is, and I have a friend that lives up above there, so we're here. I'm a little behind schedule, but check this out. That's right. We're at the switchback hill climb of Penticton. I'll see you guys when we get to the top. Dude.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free.
Good morning, YouTube. Oh, it's 6:30 in the morning, and that dude's uber quiet. We have a family of rodents living outside of the van this morning. We're in Penticton. I'm up on the hill and I'm at a friend's house. We'll get up in just a second. Wow. What a gorgeous day out there. We are way at the top of a mountain outside of Penticton. There's a family of rodents, gophers, chipmunks, I don't know what they are. Dude has some friends. Okay, buddy. Just a dude. So this is kind of cool, right? No, that's not cool. That's not cool. This. Now that's cool.
Without a care in the world, I was one rich little girl. Daydreamer kidnapped me. Take me back, all the way back to the day.
Oh yeah, that's hilarious.
No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer kidnapped me. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Having fun, dude? Huh? You monkey? Uh-oh. They left me. Yeah. Oh, that's what it is. Yeah. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Look at you. How about you? I am blessed to have the friends that I have. I have not seen these guys since around COVID. And I kept missing them when I came through after. So it's been a blessing to catch up and hang out. I got to spend the day with them yesterday. Young man got the hot rod running, so we had to go for a test drive and pick up the dude some food. It was just great. It was just, we got to drive around and talk and enjoy the summer in Penticton. We went to the dog park. I don't even know if I got video of that stuff. Anyways, sometimes you just got to share the moments and not with a camera. We're picking up the camera today because we're heading out. We're going to start heading towards the coast. That is, of course, dude, what do you see out there? It's funny. He's been sitting here, not barking, staring at those little gophers and vibrating every morning. It's so cute. Okay, so picking up the dog dishes, just jumped out of a shower. And we're getting ready The road. The warm Okanagan air is not something that my breathing is enjoying, I'll tell you that much. We're going to take a really cool trip. We're going to go up to towards the ski hill. Out of sight, out of mind. Everything's cleaned up. Time to say goodbye to our friends and grab my dog. It's so gorgeous up here. I really hate to leave, but I need Brent time, which means mountains and trees. But check out this view. Those are the two beautiful lakes of living in Penticton. So you have Okanagon Lake to the north and Skaha Lake to the south. We're up at the mountain overlooking both. And my buddy Phil stole my dog. Hey, Mr. Sniffleupagus, are you ready to go?
Hey, hi.
So you hate being on camera? Phil does too, right?
I was going to say.
That poor little chap, eh? Had to run around the whole property. Well, that looks so cool. Get in the van, dude. I love those guys. So that's a couple friends of mine, Phil, inside. They're actually from the UK, Britain, yeah, whatever, somewhere over there. I met them through the Volkswagen community, which, well, I pretty much know a lot of people from all the way from Calgary, Alberta, all the way here in Vancouver Island.